Alrighty. Um, Today is the 4th of June. I was going to say July. It's June 4th, 2025, and today is a Wednesday. Sorry, that took me a lot to get out. So, took at the overall market. Very, very slight pullback. Kind of going sideways, but still increasing. Still higher low. Tons of higher lows here, so pretty good sign with the overall market. New positions. I have one app. So app, I finally got in today. And this thing's been screwing me here, yesterday. So yeah, it's been beating me down. So hopefully we can get some continuation here. Finally bought it today. So even today, actually, I got screwed on it today too. So I bought it originally at 4:07 in the morning here. I'm gonna look on the 2-minute chart here. You can see. So I bought it up here at 4:07. I can tell you exactly when I bought it actually. I bought it at 4:07:45. So obviously near the top again, and it just faded down to the lows and passed. Actually, so it was here. Here's what I did. So I was risking 398 originally. I saw it get fading, and try to get up over VWAP, faded, up over VWAP again, faded. So I moved my stop up. I forced my stop. So let's say had a stop here or a stop down here, and I pushed it up and literally just let it get me out. So I got stopped out at 400. I originally oh yeah, so that's where I had my stop. So I originally had it at 398. They moved it up to 400. I was like, no, back down to 395, 399.50. So I was kind of like, I was just moving it around. Then I was like, if it breaks down 400, I'm out. So that's exactly what it did. The low was 399, a dollar low, and then 400, and then boom, it took off. So I had to buy it at highs at 408. So that's where I bought it. In line 409. I bought it at 409. And this one, the reason why I bought it so high, I meant to buy it at 405, 406, but as I put in the order, my order disappeared and then it shot up like $1.50. It was crazy. I don't know how it happened. There was so much volume, I guess, that came in on that first candle at that time. Here, I was like buying it at 406. I was like, all right, buy it because I saw it break over this high, this candle's high, and I put in the order. My order disappeared. I was like, okay, I got filled, and then it lagged, and then boom, 407.45. I was like, are you kidding me? So yeah, I bought like 40 shares because I was risking. The risk was what, like $10 almost. So I was like, it's like, it's good amount. But then I stopped myself out, and then I got screwed, and blah blah blah, whatever. So I had to buy half my size at $2 higher. So I'm very pissed off, but now I'm in it, so we'll see how it goes. DRS, continuing, which is great. Love to see that. Um, exactly what we want to see here. So that's good. That's great. Hood just slowly chopping away. Close at around yesterday's highs, but that's fine. You can. That's great. I mean, fantastic. I did sell the shares that I added though on this day. I mean, in pre-market it was around 73, 74. And I was like, I gotta sell some, so I sold the 30 shares that I added on. So now I'm back at how many shares do I have? So now I'm back at like a third original of my original entry here this day. Um, Actually a little less than a third. So holding on for the long run now. LEU, just great price action here. Couldn't ask for anything more. Nvidia, slight pullback, but it bounced. That's what I like to see here. I think it just closed, but I can tell you right now, the low, or let me see the close here. Open high low. I guess the close is 141.22. Yeah, I believe. And then the close today was 141.35. So the close today was higher than yesterday's close, but just barely. So that's, I mean, if you want to be on a microscopic level, right, I would say this is the damn near the same price. So the close today was just around yesterday's close, so not bad. And it kind of got weak and bounced. That's what I like to see. Oklo. Finally out of Oklo, and what was the close today? Close today was 48.31. So I mean, I sold it intraday. I'm gonna be honest with you. So I sold it. What was the close? So I think it's the close on my other thing says 48.89. So like up here, right at the 10 day. Anyways, so now I got stopped out intraday because I bought it this day here, and I bought it like around 45.50, 46, whatever on this price here. So my stop was originally 43.91. It's been like a week now. Oh, it's been 12 days. Oh, 12 days, 7 bars. Sorry, one, two. Yeah. So I mean, a week and a half or two, almost 2 weeks. So I raised my stop up to break even, and as you can see here, when I brought it up, I got stopped out. So that's why I got stopped out. But yeah. So that's it for my positions, I believe. Yeah. Um, and we can look at my this just pissing me off. I mean, a lot of these things have been working on the hourly, and the reason why I know is because I've been watching them and haven't been trading them. Same thing with CoreWeave. I think I talked about this yesterday. LAU, same thing. Look at this on the hourly. Oops. Was that even on the? Here we go. I guess not so much on the hourly on this one, but you can see the flag here. NBIS. Um, Missed this one today. Uh, don't really think it's a breakout though. So it's still on watch. CRDO, not really set up for me here. CMP, missed it today. I just missed it. Yeah, I mean it didn't really break out until late day. Like, so the high was set in the morning. Let's look at this on the. I keep doing this. I have certain hourly or time frames here, and I keep changing them. But let's look at this and zoom out real quick. Lord, here we go. So today, this was the opening candle here. This was the high of the morning, right? The high was 1949. So I mean, it didn't really break out of it until around 2:42. So an hour and 20 minutes before the market closed. So someone was buying this into the close. It seems like. So yeah. Anyways, I don't think I would have been able to trade that one. So Sezzle, still think. I mean, I think it's kind of extended. I think. Look at this. Look at this here. Look at the angle of this increase. It's pretty ferocious. I don't really think this is a buy currently right now, in my opinion. So I'm gonna take that off. App finally breaking out. Love to see this. Hopefully it can go to like 500 again. That'd be great. RGC. This one just on watch. Whatever. App. Ava. Missed this one. T-Dub. Still waiting for this one. HSAI. I think it's kind of. I would say this is lagging, but if you look at this on the weekly, maybe even the monthly. I mean, this thing is monthly is kind of you can barely see anything on the monthly. Let's go back to the weekly. So look at this on the weekly. Like this is, I mean, it's a pretty nice base. You can see it kind of failed and popped right back up, and now, oops, and now it's building this big base here. So this one may be in the future. We'll see. I mean, it's holding the 20-day pretty well. It's just super choppy here. Look at this chop. All this is chop here. Look at this. But maybe just saving that one for the future. Carvana, insane, insane. Hood, talked about that one earlier. Rocket Lab, this one's on the watch list, waiting for this one to go. Look at the space names here. Oh wow, Amazon had earnings after hours. Light Wednesday, Q1 Gamma. So they don't have a loss compared to last year's Q1. So they expected a loss of 4 cents per share, but I guess they didn't have any Losses. Revenue for the 3 months ended April 30th was 66 million, up from 60 million. Wow, that's huge. Um, from $0 to 60. Oh, okay, never mind, never mind. Anyways, now that, I mean, this company's still dog. You know, it's still a dog, but this might create bids for the space sector tomorrow. I mean, Black Sky is in a great flag here. We'll see if these have some follow through tomorrow. This one sucks. Rocket Lab, it looks like one of the leaders. Rocket Lab looks like the leader of this sector. PL might get some action. Might get some moves tomorrow for this one. I don't know why I highlighted that one. Did I flag this one? This one's gonna be on watch for tomorrow. I don't expect anything great out of these things, um, but we'll see. I mean, I don't know. I don't really expect anything, but the times when I don't expect anything, they take off. So that's why I miss everything. And then the times I do expect something, I get faked out. But it's all good. Going back to the here we go, QBTS. Now I think this one is also setting up pretty well. On the hourly, it looks fantastic. I mean, it's what you want to see. I mean, it's beautiful. So I'll be ready for this one. I think I took a loss on this one today. Or that was it yesterday. Nope, I took a loss on it today. Yep. So I'm starting to. My habits are starting to come back, where I'm trying to push size and stuff like that. So, all right, let's see. TOI. I mean, this one has been in a range for quite a bit here. You know, this looked primed maybe here. I mean, look at the ADR. So this is pretty good tightness here on this stock. A good here. Fake breakout here. Look great here. Fantastic here. Look how tight this day was. Fake breakout here. Kind of got weak, bounced up, pretty strong. Great tightness here. So we're in a great tight zone. But it's like basically, I guess you can consider it, I wouldn't consider that one, but 3 or 2 fake breakouts. So third time's the charm. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe we'll see. IPI still waiting for this one to break. I think I talked about this one yesterday. Pretty looks like not a fun trader, but whatever. Archer might take this one off the list. It's getting weak. I'm surprised this one's not. Okay. So I was gonna say I'm surprised this one is not on my space list, but it's completely different. This is VTOL. This is with Joby. Vertical takeoff and landing. Okay. Where's Archer? Here. TMC setting up nicely too. Maybe a couple more days. Reclaim the 10. Build up higher. HRTG setting up nicely as well. I missed it this day. Okay, idiot. Groupon. Whatever. CLS pulled back from yesterday's kind of gap up. So not even a gap up, but just like slight move yesterday. So hopefully get some tightness, and then we can get another setup. This one I'm watching. Dave also looks very, very nice. It is pretty extended. I would like for this 20-day to catch up here. That's what I like to see. So a couple more days of tightness, maybe panic down to 20 and then pop back up, back over the 10. But this thing is looking pretty good. This thing was down the dumps. Look at this thing. IONQ. This one's just on watch because the whole quantum sector was going. Joby. This one's just on watch too. HIMS. This one got really weak, even today. I think a break under this 51.40 level, we can get some flush down to the 41s. That'd be good, pretty good short. CEP. Other than missing this one on the hourly, maybe it needs more days to set up. I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks all right. Like, I mean, not anything crazy, but this thing could easily come right back down. Palantir getting a little weak. Nice bounce off the 10-day. Still kind of holding up. Would like to see this continue tomorrow. Oklo. Yeah. Don't know if that's a mistake. Well, I mean, it couldn't be a mistake. I brought it to my break-even point, so I can't do anything. Apps got a little weak. Reclaimed though, so that's not bad. But I mean, this thing gaps down tomorrow, we can see some flushes. Kind of like Nut X or Nutex, whatever you call it. Nutex Health, right? So might be able to see that from apps tomorrow. And then MVST showing some weakness today too. So this one, same thing. Breaks under this 325. Maybe we can see 238. So that's it for my watch list. I think that's it for mainly everything. This week I've lost quite a bit of money just from forcing things. I mean, maybe over $1,200, maybe more worth of losses that I should have just kept in my account. Yeah, I mean, it just sucks. So, yep, that's it. That's a quick video today. Nothing crazy. So.